We just wrapped up our third annual VinQ Unleashed event. Here's what you missed. VinQ Unleashed was our largest event yet. We hosted over 300 dealers, partners, and industry thought leaders for 3 days of intense technology, strategy, and industry knowledge sharing, training, and innovation. And we had a lot of fun along the way. But before I tell you a little bit about what it was, I want to start with a moment of gratitude because this event is so big that it literally could not happen without the hard work of our team, the support of our dealers, and the contribution of our integration and industry partners. Every single one of them were hand-selected because we believe they share our commitment to the success of the entire dealer body. The partners you see here are not just sponsors. They are part of our Team VinQ Unite Partner Program. Together, we have co-developed and co-created real solutions for our dealers that help improve efficiency and profitability. So thank you. Thank you for sharing your time, your resources, and your vision with our team and our dealers. Lead with clarity, partner with integrity, and build with purpose. This year on the main stage, we made more major announcements than we ever have. New horizons for AI appraisal, acquisition, and merchandising, new car, and so much more. With new best-in-class integrations to replace the daily grind with power and purpose, and new investments in resources around training and professional services to help our dealers succeed beyond their wildest dreams. There is an entire new horizon coming for our industry, and we're living on the edge of it so that our dealers don't miss a thing. Among the biggest announcements we made on stage this week was our new trade cycle intelligence solution, co-developed with Team Velocity and in partnership with Brian Benstock at Paragon Honda and Paragon Acura. Trade cycle intelligence is truly the first and only solution in the industry that combines customer and equity data from Team Velocity with inventory, market, and pricing data in VinQ and automatically targets, engages, and activates your existing customer base. Brian challenged us to help him improve his return to market success, and together, he's now seeing 50% of his former customers returning thanks to the trade cycle intelligence solution. This is truly one of the most important innovations you will hear about all year. And if you're already a Team Velocity or a VinQ dealer, you need to get it turned on as soon as possible. If you're not, we'd love to show you more. If you were in the room, you are aware of so many other great new solutions, integrations, features, and announcements made on stage this year. And we'll be dropping each one of them on our social media, our website, and in our newsletter between now and NADA. If you're a VinQ dealer, you can hear all about them right now from your performance manager or find them in our brand new app store. If you're not a VinQ dealer, we'd love to show you. Set up a demo or find us at NADA in February. I just can't get over the feeling of gratitude and excitement from this week. So many of our dealers and partners congratulated us on the quality of UNLEASHED25. That is directly because of the hard work of our people and you, our dealers. To my entire team, thank you and congratulations. But most importantly, we wouldn't be here at all. Unleashed would not exist without the support of our dealers. I spoke from the main stage about how our dealers are the true visionaries in the industry. They are the early adopters that believed in our vision and our mission and are helping us change the industry for the better together. I believe that wholeheartedly. But I also see it as a big responsibility to always be in the service of you, the dealers on the front line driving the real innovation in our industry. If you missed UNLEASHED25, don't make the same mistake twice. If you're a VinQ dealer, you can go now save your spot for UNLEASHED26 because I'll also let you know that we were sold out this year and probably going to sell out next year. The dates are October 7th through the 9th back in Kansas City at the Lowe's Hotel. If you're not a VinQ dealer, you have got to come see what we're all about. Follow us on social media, sign up for our email, schedule a demo, or find us at NADA in February. I can't wait to show you what we're working on because everything we do comes straight from you, from your experience, from your challenges, and from your opportunities. Thank you one more time for everyone who joined us at UNLEASHED25, to our sponsors that made it all possible, to our team, and to our dealers that inspire us to show up every single day. See you next year.